Very coin. What is this calling?
Spider Jack 2.1 from ART.
That
Bleed stopper for on the climber's harness, so that'll have a tourniquet and some coagulant for blood stopper. More 4-meter Grillian lanyards.
Clips.
Yeah. ISC Nessie.
Stopper. Fancy. Just harness. And that is
Oh, this is a chest harness. You can put your first aid kit in here. Multiple attachment points. That's the new notch one, so that'll be good for the apprentices which are learning to climb SRT. Also a much simpler chest harness.
yeah.
That's just a very simple harness for people that want lightweight, multiple attachment points, easy to undo.
Nice.
We've got someone can try out a sidekick lanyard. No idea how those work, but someone will figure it out.
Sidekick.
Alright, and then we got this one. We got the Giro double lanyard. I think one of the climbers likes to climb with a double adjustable rope lanyard, so it's sort of a bit of a North American way of climbing, but if that's the way they do it, then they can have the best, really. So we'll try this out.
Looks good. Fancy.
Oh yeah, nice. That's pretty nice. Camp Giro lanyard. How long is it? It's quite long actually for a double lanyard.
I wrote
7 meter lanyard. Alright. What we got here? Another pre-made lanyard. This one by Courant. Oh wow.
good.
No carabiners on this, but that's quite nice. That's a really good hand. I like this rope. Oh, it's super smooth. That's not bad. Sort of have to set it, but couple of small ring slings for canopy anchors.
Most links.
Yeah, nice and short. A couple of heavy duty climbers first aid kits from, what is it, Bull? Something Bull? Sort of a little blood stopper. Tourniquet. And then an emergency bandage. Some wound dressing. It's going to be easier to get out of there, I think. I think you pull the red tab. Right, what else do we got? Lanyard management system from Tupelberger.
Spliced eye.
Stitch tie,
Stitch tie.
low stretch, low rope lanyard, 11 mil. Yeah. Stitched on both ends. That's it.
That's it, Colin.
That's it, yeah. That's all. Next shipment coming soon.
Happy climbing.